Good morning, students. Welcome to English class. We have completed chapter 13 and 14, adjective. So, you need to revise that chapters, and today we will be increasing our vocabulary. Okay, your chapter 23 and 24 are related to vocabulary. So, vocabulary is the main part of any language. So, today we will be increasing our vocabulary. Let's see what we'll be doing. So, in your chapter 23, words that often confuse are given. 1 to 10 we will do today, and antonyms 1 to 20 we will do. These are the part of your term 2 syllabus. So, listen the things carefully. So, what do you mean by words that often confuse? So, in our English language, we have so many words which sounds alike or nearly alike but have different meanings. So, sometimes we get confused which word we need to use. So, let's see these words with their meanings. So let's see. Study the spelling, meaning and pronunciation of the following confusing words. Let's see. First one, exceed. Exceed means to agree. To agree with someone or somebody. Agree karna. He acceded to my request. Now exceed, to go beyond, to cross any limit. Okay. Sometime while driving, drivers exceed speed limit. Fine. So exceed means here the second one, exceed meaning to go beyond, to cross any limit. Now let's see the second one, accept, to take willingly, and next accept, excluding. Accept, I have accepted her proposal. Now second, accept, everybody was happy except Manish, means everybody was happy but Manish was not happy. Except Manish, everyone was happy. So excluding means he is not in that group. Now adapt. Adapt, to adjust themselves according to the situation. अपने आप को adjust करना, ढालना किसी चीज के according. So adapt, he easily adapted himself to this new way of life. Now second, adopt. Adopt, sometimes we can adopt use for, here it is given, accept as your own. और किसी अच्छी आदत को adopt करना. I have adopted that way of working. Or adopt, accept as your own. They have adopted an orphan. Now adapt. Adapt means expert hona. Expert, being skillful. Expert, she is adept at painting, means she is expert in painting. Affect, to influence. Effect, cause, to cause. Affect, the disease affected his health. Effect, to cause, to government is trying to effect policy changes. Allude, illude, to suggest. What is the meaning of allude? To the first one, to suggest indirectly. Directly नहीं किसी को suggest करना. Indirectly, he alluded to the terrorist in his speech. Alluded means indirectly उन्होंने उनको message दिया, suggestion दिया. Elude, to escape, कहीं से बच के भागना. The solution seemed to elude him. Now sixth one is allusion and illusion. Allusion, subtle reference or hint. She made an allusion to the novel she had read. Illusion, deception, deceive करना, किसी को धोखा देना. और हमें like illusion हुआ. I have no illusion about his ability. Altar, a holy table in a church or temple. मंदिर में या चर्च में एक जो टेबल होती है जिसके ऊपर हम दिया बाती लगाते हैं, that is called altar. और then another alter, change, किसी चीज़ में change करना. It is difficult to alter past mistakes. Now eighth one is ascent. Ascent, A-S-C-E-N-T, ascent, upward movement. They made a successful ascent of the peak. Ascent. Now second, A-S-S-E-N-T, agree. The management gave assent to the new scheme. Now assure, ensure or insure. Assure, he assured me of his port. Please ensure that people come in time. To make sure. Insure, to provide insurance. It is right to insure your house. Now the last one, birth, B-E-R-T-H, birth, seat, and B-I-R-T-H, birth, to bear. He got a berth in the compartment. Berth means seat, wooden seat we can say. And B-I-R-T-H, birth, to bear. She gave birth to a male child. So these you need to prepare for your term 2 syllabus. Fine, now let's see antonyms. Now you need to mark 1 to 20 antonyms for your term 2 syllabus. So first of all, absence, presence, accept, refuse, admit, I admit my mistake, he denied, agree, disagree, alive, dead, ancient, modern, approval, disapproval, arrival, departure. What is the time of arrival of Rajdhani Express? What is the time of departure of Rajdhani Express today? So arrival, आना, departure, depart करना. Artificial, natural, artificial, man-made, natural, which we get from nature. Ascend, descend, ascend, upward movement, descend, downward movement. Ascending order, descending order आप लोग करते हो ना बच्चों. Asleep, awake, asleep, सोया हुआ, awake, जगा हुआ. Attack, defense, backward, forward or onward. Beautiful, ugly, below, above, bend यानी झुका हुआ, मुड़ा हुआ, straighten यानी सीधा, straight, bent, straight, big, small or little, bitter, and sweet, bitter, sweet, blame, praise. So that's all for your words that often confuse and antonyms. So mark all these in your book. Okay, these will be part of your term 2 exam. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.